Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can light your own wishing sea lantern in Heartopia. So the wishing sea lantern ceremony in Heartopia is live now. If you click on this, you'll see the sea lantern of sentiment event. And I'm going to show you how you can light your own wishing sea lantern. So on the map, first you just need to head into this location, the Amethyst beach, and after that you'll see the lantern floating around. You can just here click on this icon and you can just select the wishing sea lantern. If you don't have one, you just need to buy it first in the sea lantern store. You can just click on the lantern that you want to buy, and then you can go back and click on the icon and choose the lantern. For example, I'm going to use this one, the Fortune Gather Sea Lantern. Click on release into the sea, and that's it. Now you just light your own lantern and releasing it to the sea. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.